still can't believe you'll be riding home with 3,000 cedis just for a day's work.
That's why I've told you to learn French. It will make you more marketable. Attends, t'as le Ghana qui est entouré par que des pays francophones. Côte d'Ivoire, le Togo, le Bénin. C'est quand même impératif que tu parles français, non?
Say again.
T'inquiète pas, petit à petit, ça va aller.
Maybe I should just drop my courses and do languages.
Oh, don't. Rather encourage you to become a name. I mean, a star in the course you've chosen to do. There are consultants in different fields who charges as much as $500 an hour for their services.
Really? Merci.
De rien, ma puce. I was told if I impress the delegation, the tip may be even bigger than the actual pay.
Impress? That's a trifle vague, isn't it?
Well, she just dropped a hint. I suppose I must do a sterling job.
Oh, well, no worries, girl. Go get him. You do a perfect job. Wow, those legs. You better be careful, Chantal, because somebody is going to steal them right from under you, the way you make them attractive by the day.
Oh, come on. It's not like I do anything to accentuate them, apart from what the occasional calf rises I do.
Really? Well, then you've got good genes. Respects to your mom and dad.
Thank you.
You don't like me, unfollow. You can't talk about my hustle.
Now, tell me, how do I look?
You look perfect. It's magnificent. You are officially Miss Umoja.
Really? Isn't that scope rather small?
No. See, Umoja is home to some of the beautiful women in Africa, and you are it.
Then I gratefully accept the title of Miss Umoja.
Oh, yeah. Thank you very much for accepting. Yeah. Go, girl. Work it. Work it. Work it. Now, go before you're late.
Everybody hustle.
Éduquer une femme, c'est éduquer toute une nation.
If you educate a woman, you educate a nation.
Nous défendons les droits de la femme et nous luttons contre toutes sortes de harcèlement, d'exploitation et l'intimidation afin de promouvoir leur liberté.
We stand for women's rights and their liberation from workplace abuse, battering, and intimidation.
Afin d'avoir la paix dans le monde d'aujourd'hui, les femmes doivent être émancipées.
For peace and harmony in today's words, women must be empowered.
Ce qu'un homme peut faire, une femme peut aussi le faire.
What a man can do, a woman can do.
Les femmes sont très précieuses, alors protégeons-les.
Women are precious. Let's protect them.
Je vous en remercie.
Thank you.
Yvonne, excuse me, give me a minute.
That's all right.
Is it Mike again? Come with me. Look, let me finish with the client. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be with you, okay? Okay.
Si vous avez des questions, vous pouvez les poser maintenant.
We are open to questions.
So why are you guys in Ghana?
Pourquoi êtes-vous
we are here because Ghana is considered as the star of Africa. So we are opening a branch here. With time, we will cover the rest of Africa.
So, what is the status of the struggle of the girl child in la Côte d'Ivoire?
Quel est le statut de la lutte pour les jeunes filles en Côte d'Ivoire?
Merci pour la question. La Côte d'Ivoire et le Ghana sont des pays confrères. Et comme ici au Ghana, les cultures sont presque toutes les mêmes. Mais nous pensons qu'il y a toujours du travail à faire. Merci.
First of all, thank you for the question. Ivory Coast and Ghana are sister countries. So like in Ghana, the cultures are the same, but there's still work to do. Thank you.
So, how long are you here for?
Pour combien de temps êtes-vous là?
Nous sommes ici pour 3 jours.
We are here for 3 days.
Sir, why do you think what a man can do, a woman can also do?
I can't believe this. 3 days away from home without a phone call from him?
To make matters worse, he's not even answering my calls.
And you say you guys did not have a fight before he left?
Mama, you know me too well. I really can't bring myself to fighting Mike, even though these days he's been behaving very terribly.
This is difficult to digest.
Finally, I was beginning to get worried. I thought you had run away with your French people, you femme fatale.
My phone has been on silent since morning.
Yeah, right, Madam Professional. But how's it going though?
It's not easy, Rama. I've been talking back and forth since morning. I swear I never talked this much my whole life.
But what did you expect? 6,000 cedis for a jolly ride? You must be joking.
Good news is we're about holding our last meeting for the day.
Cool. Well, bring back something nice, yeah? And all the best.
All right.
We're sorry. Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
Wow. He wouldn't pick my calls too. You know, I understand Dennis is on holiday with your sister, right?
Yes.
You know what? You're not going back to that house until my brother puts on his thinking cap.
No, I'm not comfortable.
Look, you heard me right. I'm taking you to my house until he decides to come back home and back to his senses. He will look for you.
Really?
Vous êtes aussi belle qu'intelligente.
Merci, monsieur. You are kind.
Je vous en prie, appelez-moi Pascal. Work is over, isn't it? Perhaps I will have to take you along as my personal assistant.
Sorry, but I'm still in school.
Oh yeah. After school, peut-être.
Maybe. Thank you so much for the job hospitality and gift. I'd like to take my leave now. Bon voyage.
Oh, no. Surely you're not leaving. The party just started. Please sit down. Don't be a party pooper. Sit down. Besides, you have to come to my room for your package.
Package?
Yes. Surely you were told there was a special package for excellent service. You definitely qualify.
Upstairs.
Allez, on y va. On y va.
My time I want it. My time I want it. My time I want it. My time.
Are you sure this is right?
You see the problem with some of us women? We don't have self-worth. Not in the least. A man leaves his matrimonial home for days without a word to his wife. And the wife thinks her lot is to sit and mourn herself to death. Goodness. Look, come with me. Let me show you the bedroom, okay?
Voilà. Bienvenue chez moi. Et surtout, fais comme tu dois, ok? Ok, surtout ne te gêne pas. C'est bon?
My dear, just let me know if these are not enough for you, okay? The small where they came from. Hmm? Come on. Hmm? Come. Give us a smile. You know what? You should come over for some fruit salad after the shower. Hmm? You need some pampering.
Surprise! Are you the shy type?
Excuse me. Please let me out now.
It's locked. Don't worry, I know you're kind.
Hold that thought. Hold that thought.
I will give you exactly what you want. You like cat and dog games, huh? Let's play.
Just take your hands off me!
Come on, loosen up.
Leave me!
What the hell is wrong with you?
I should be asking you that!
Are you telling me you don't know why you are here in this room?
No. The last I heard, I was to be given a bonus.
Exactly. What did you think the bonus was?
I'm being paid to do translation services for you, that's all.
Just translation.
What else?
Don't you know the work of an escort?
An escort.
Of course, an escort.
Listen, I was asked to provide translation services to a client. I was never told to sleep with a client as part of my work.
Were you expecting to be taught in a plain language? Well, I won't be cheated on my Jew. Come on.
Okay, relax. You low-lying bastard! Chantal, are you okay? I thought you were wrong. That Pascal is an animal. Vraiment, Pascal ne va jamais changer. Toujours Pascal. C'est pas possible.
Come on, baby. Come here, come.
A message has been received.
Drop it.
Let me get this.
Drop it.
Let me just get this, please.
What is wrong?
The witch.
Sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. Check the number and dial again.
Hey, you guys are chilling, pal.
Look, I'm not with Yvonne.
Really?
What do you mean you went to the house twice and the whole place looks deserted?
Yeah, I mean, I was there this afternoon and there was no trace of anyone there. I was there again about an hour after work and still there was no one home. The lights were off, so I definitely thought you guys had gone away for some romantic getaway.
No.
No?
But I don't understand. Where could she have gone to?
I should be asking you that. Where are you?
I'm in Kumasi. I came for a business trip. Can you do me a favor?
What favor?
Please. Can you go back to the house and check if she's back?
Go to your house at this time of the night?
Yes, please.
Okay, alright. You owe me one, you know.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Pascal, what did you do to her?
It's none of your business.
Really? None of my business? No.
Yeah, hello?
Hi, I'm standing in front of your gate, but there's still no one in the house.
How possible?
Are you sure everything is alright between the two of you? Have you spoken to her since you traveled? Mike?
Yeah, not really.
Not really? How long have you been away?
3 days.
3 whole days? No wonder.
No wonder what? What are you saying?
Yeah, I haven't said anything. You can draw your own conclusions.
Look, I'm coming home right now.
You better. Nanyama.
I need to go home now.
What do you mean?
You heard me. I have to go home.
It's late, Mike. Stay till tomorrow. I thought you'd rather be happy she left you. Mike, so you were lying to me all along. You still love her, don't you? Mike! Mike, come to me. Mike! Mike! Mike, come to me. Mike, come to me. You're not going.
What's your problem? I said I'm leaving.
I said come to me.
Leave me.
Mike!
Oh, finally somebody returned from work. What's wrong? Chantal, talk to me. What's wrong? Jimmy, what happened?
Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you never see.
Make her enter, make her go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time where I just go on through way. So make her boss a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya, home on fire. And I'll make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know, say Nadine never expire. Miss Kolo.